We'll start with the class today. So yesterday's class we had discussed a topic called as relationship between the other phases of a software and about testing phase. That is, we made a relationship between. If my voice gets struck or anything, just ping me immediately. Okay. What now? Whether now it's audible? Whether now it's audible? No. Okay. A disturbance. Is it audible, students? Raise your hands, please. Okay. So, we find in the yesterday's class we discussed a topic on what is called as relationship between testing and other phases of testing. Or else wait, off the fan, better. Okay. So in the last class we discussed relationship between testing and other phases. That is, we compared if testing is good, what happens? If other phases are good, what happens? Whether the product will be sustainable, whether the product will be risky, whether the product will be of high rework cost, or whether product will be an ideal type of a product. ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. Relationship between testing and the other phases. And also yesterday I just glanced, sumne odidde nanu ninne principles. Today I will be explaining only 2 principles in detail. Okay. So basically I told you we are having 11 principles to study in this chapter. This chapter is only about principles. 11 principles odidra with examples our chapter is completed. So but ಓದೋದಂದ್ರೇನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಈ ತರ ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, with real time examples how it is being done. So we are going to study 11 principles. So today I will be explaining only 2 principles. Okay. So first and the foremost principle is the goal of testing is to find defects before customers find them out. What is the meaning of this here? What is the goal of a testing? Basically, testing is what? Testing of a programming code before we give it to a customer. Okay. As I told you, in a company, we are having a section called as developers and the testers. For example, 10 jana developers idra. For example, 10 jana developers idra, we'll be having 2 or 3 testers. So, I will be first and the foremost principle. What is the goal of a testing? Is to find defects before customers finds them out. Before customers finds them out. So, whenever a product is being delivered to the customers, we need to see that the product is being delivered without any defect or without any error. Okay, we need to see without any defect or without any error. So, first principle is about this. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಓದ್ತೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನು. Second principle, exhaustive testing ಅಂತಂದೇನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅದ. Exhaustive testing is not possible. Program testing can only show the presence of defects, never their absence. Exhaustive testing is not possible ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ. What is the meaning of that exhaustive testing? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Even though we take care of so much of errors, even though ಬಹಳ ನಾವು if we have developing a product, if we take care of that product without an error also, at least one or the other error will be there. Definitely, there is no such product or there is no ideal product which is 100% without any error. So exhaustive testing is not possible. Exhaustive testing antandrenu testing of a complete product without any single error. Another one time I am repeating, exhaustive testing is not possible, means here testing of a product without any single error is not possible. Definitely one or the other error will be there. Definitely one or the other error will be there. And next statement in kotaroru, program testing can only show the presence of defects, never their absence. Okay, yesterday one example ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಸಿ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್, C++ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್. Everybody will experience this. Okay, no doubt there are no single errors. Okay, there are no error illa nim program alli, but still your program is not running or your program is not working. What is the meaning of that? No doubt errors idra we are going to debug that error or we are going to clear that error. But imagine error itself is not getting error e kaanavals namga andrunu program work agvaltu. What we need to do in that case? In that case, we need to see where our program is not working. So here, whether my voice is audible? It's audible. Fine. Okay. So what happens is here, if no doubt error idre correct ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, error ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ. Again program ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Lab experience ಆಗಿದ್ದು, I had experience. If there is no error, definitely what happens, again and again I will check the program whether it is correct, each and everything I need to see here. So exhaustive testing is not possible. That is, a program or a product with not even a single error is not possible. So program testing can only show the presence of defects, never their absence. Errors idre ತೋರಿಸ್ತದೆ errors ಕಾಣವಲ್ತಂದ್ರೆ definitely I don't know what is the error. Program run ಆಗವಲ್ತು ಅವಾಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ನಾನು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ ಅಂತ. So in today's class I will be discussing two main important first two principles. One is our goal of a testing is to find defects before customers find them out. Next is exhaustive testing. Exhaustive testing means what? We are basically ella testing 100% sure without any single error I can't produce. Nothing is ideal in this what is called as in real world. So one or the other error will be there. ಅದು ಒಂದಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಎರರ್ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಎರರ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಡೂ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಫ್ ಎರರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ even looking for me. There will be some cases where error, we don't know what is the error is. Error antanu ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, but our product will not be working properly. So these two principles I will be discussing in today's class. Okay, so here coming to the first principle now. Okay, coming to the first principle. No doubt these are the another principles I will be discussing later. Total 11 principles idavanu. Okay, now first principle, see here. Principle 1, the goal of a testing is to find defects before customers find them out. As I told you in the very first class that for each principle they will be giving a separate example, real time example na ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, not any coding programming language ಆ ತರ ಅಲ್ಲ, real world. ಈಗ ನಾವು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಆಗ ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದೇನೋ ಇನ್ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟವ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, we will see what it is. Okay, so for each and every principle, for each principle they are giving one real time example and making us understand what is actually problem is. Okay, so first and the foremost principle I will go. Today I will be explaining only two principles. Okay, first, the goal of a testing is to find defects before customers find them out. Hangandre eno? Testing the goal eno? We need to find the defects before customers find them out. For example, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೆವಲಪಿಂಗ್ ಎನ್ ಕಾರ್, ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್ ಅ ಕಾರ್. ಕಾರ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾರ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು 2 to 3 ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೆಲ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ ಫಾರ್ 2 to 3 ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ, ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಸರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸರಿ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಕಾರಿಂದು, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಎನಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ, ಈ ತರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್ ಅ ಕಾರ್, ಐ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಅ ಕಾರ್, ಒಂದ್ 3 ಜನ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿನ ಕಾರ್. ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಕೂಳೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿನ ನಂಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ, ನೀವು ಅದು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಅವಾಗ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಫೀಲ್, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಅವಮಾನ ಟೈಪ್ ನಮಗೆ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ವಾಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಕಾರ್, ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಡೆವಲಪರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಮನಿ, ದುಡ್ಡು ತಗೊಂಡು ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್. Definitely it will be a shame to me. So in order to do that, what I need to do? Perfect. I need to develop a perfect car without any problem with any parts, any components of a car. Then I have to sell it. Once I am sure that my car is perfect, that the customer will be completely satisfied, ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಕಾರ್ನ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ I should not sell any of my product. Another one thing, the customers here should be completely satisfied. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ ಕಾರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವರ್ತ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಅವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ದ ಇನ್ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕಾರ್. ಆಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಒನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಕಾರ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ಮೆನ್. ಕಾರ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ಮೆನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಯಾರು ಕಾರ್ ಮಾರ್ಲಿಕತ್ತಾರ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಶೋರೂಮ್, ಒಬ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ ಬ್ರೋಚರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು, ಸರ್ ಈ ತರ ನಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾವ, ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವ, ಈಗ ಫುಲ್ ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡೆಡ್ ಅದ ಅಂತ. ಯಾರು ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಕಾರ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ಮೆನ್. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್, ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪೇಂಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನ ಅವನು, ದ ಕಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್. ಕಾರ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ಮೆನ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಸ್ಟಮರಿಗೆ ಯಾರೊಬ್ರು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯಾರೊಬ್ರು ಕಾರ್ ತಗೊಳಿಕ್ ಬಂದಾರ, ಶೋರೂಮಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾರ. ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಏನಂತಾನೆ, ಸರ್ ಏನೇನ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Then what happens? The customer says, I'm searching for a car which has the new features, upgraded one. Okay, then what happens is the salesman says, okay, everything is ready, but you need to paint. What is the meaning here? Car ready ada antana, paint ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ. What is the meaning of that? Incomplete car. Car is not complete. How can I take a car without a paint? Yes or no? How can I take a car without a paint? Definitely it will be a incomplete car. So car salesman should not tell like this. He need to sell the car which is perfect without any problem. But ill ಏನಂತನಕ, some conversation is taking place. Excuse me. Some conversation is taking place here. Car salesman is telling that the car is complete. You need to paint it. Whether this is worth here? No. The customer is not satisfied. Customer ಏನಂತಾನೆ ಅವಾಗ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. Definitely it will be a loss for his company. Yes or no? So ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕಾರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಅದ, you need to just paint it. So this will not actually work. So whenever we develop a product, we need to sell to the customer such that they are satisfied completely. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ತಗೊಳಿಕ್ಕ. ಇನ್ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್, ಪೇಂಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ವೀಲ್ ಸರಿ ಕೂಡ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್, ಈ ತರ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಕೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ is paying the money. Yes or no? So this is one of the best example what they have given for us. The goal of a testing is to find defects before customer finds them out. ಒಂದಂತ್ರಕ್ಕೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಾರ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪೇಂಟ್. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಇನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದಂದ್ರ, ಕಾರ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನ, ಕಾರ್ is working properly, everything is good, it will give a good mileage and all, you just take it. ಆಯ್ತು, ಅತ ನಂಬಿ I will take the car. Once I take the car, It will be proper for 15 to 20 days. 20 days admele it will start giving me problems. What I will do, definitely I will go to that call salesman and tell what type of product you have sold for me. What type of product you have sold for me. So what happens here? Since he has sold me the incomplete car or not a proper car, as a customer I am not at all satisfied. Next time I will not take any of a product from that person. So this will be a situation of a product if we have not sold properly. Okay. Now we will see some of the things here within this principle. First point, customers are of two types. Okay, customers are of two types. One is internal customer, second is external customer anta kottaru. Now we will discuss what are these customers. Okay, now imagine a company, okay, which is selling mobile. Okay, for a company, for example, Redmi antane tagori. It is selling what the company called as Redmi. Here for Redmi, there are two types of customers. One is internal customer. Okay. Wait a second. Okay. So here, customers are of two types. One is internal customers and second is external customers. I told you example of a mobile. Okay, mobile. Another one thing here, in this subject, somebody has asked some technical example. In this subject, they have given real world examples only. Like for example, in one principle again, doctor and patient and even though it is not related to technical, but we need to study. They are making us the subject simpler by giving the real-time example. For example, car anta helana. It is nothing but a simple example which is given in textbook. Okay, so customers are of two types. One is internal customers and second is external customers. I told you example, a company ada ಒಂದು company mobile sell ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ XYZ mobile phone ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಎರಡು ಟೈಪ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಏನದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ. External customers are those type of customers who buy the mobile XYZ. ಈಗ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿ ಫೋನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಂಪನಿದ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್. ಓಕೆ, whoever buy that product are nothing but what? External customers. Now, I think you followed what is external customer. What is internal customer? For example, XYZ mobile phone anta ತಗೊಂಡಿ ನಾನು. ಆ XYZ mobile phone ಒಳಗ ಓಕೆ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿ ಒಳಗ there will be having different groups who are developing different types of components. For example, in mobile, XYZ mobile, one company ಒಳಗ there are some of the team, one 4-5 ಜನ ಸೇರಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿ they'll be preparing. ಇನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರ, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ದ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ they will be developing. Another team, what they'll be developing? They'll be developing of programming languages for a mobile. Another team will be looking care only about the hardware part like processor, memory, ee tara ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So when you take a mobile phone, a company, it will have so much wide variety of sections in it. Some of the people they will be taking care of the some people definitely they'll be taking care of the hardware, memory, processor. Inna ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ programming language. Inna ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಏನಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರ, sorry, one second. Okay, so inna ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ they will be taking care of new features and some people they will be taking care of programming languages. And there will be another set of people in a company who will be thinking what type of new features I can add so that my mobile will be competitive in the society. Ivaga ನೋಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, like Jio and Airtel, Vodafone, they are competition with each other. Similarly, even the mobile phones, there will be competition between them. So there will be set of a team who will be only thinking, okay, who will be only thinking that what can I do, what can I add new features to make my mobile sell more in the society. So here external customers antru now yaar purchase ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, we are external customers, no doubt. Internal customers na ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ನಿನಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಮೆಮರಿ ತಗೊಂತಿರ್ತಾರ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್, ಹಿಂಗ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಮೊಬೈಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ, ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇಂದ ತಕೊಂತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಮೆಮರಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇಂದ ತಕೊಂತೀನಿ, ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೆಮ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಸೇರಿ ನಾ ಒಂದು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಒನ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಬೈ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ one part or one components. Better word is components. Okay, components andre ಏನು, different parts of one device. So what I will be taking, I'll be taking different components from different groups from one company only. So these groups, different groups from whom I will take a product, I will take one component. These are nothing but internal customers of one company. I am going to repeat again this example, understand clearly. Internal customers are nothing but these are the customers where we take different components. No doubt ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಕಂಪ್ನಿದಾಗ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ನ ಫುಲ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾರ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ ನ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾರ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಾ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಕಂಪನಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೀ. These are nothing but what? Internal customers. One group in the I take memory, from another group I take another type of a process, from another group I take ideas what to do. So these are nothing but internal customers of a organization or of a mobile company anta helbodu. So another one thing for internal customers, simple ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 10 members developers ಇದ್ದಾರಾ. Okay, 10 members developers and there are 2 members testers. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮುಗೀತು. 10 members developers ಇದ್ರೆ 2 members testers. So what we do for this? Once developers develop the product, okay, they give the product to testers. Okay, testers test ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Testers, they will be test using test cases. We'll study in further chapters. Test case ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದೆ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, so when developers test one product develop ಮಾಡಿ testers ಕೈಯಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ, testers ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಅದನ್ನ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ using test cases. Okay, think that error is there. What they will do, they will tell the developers or they will intimate the developers that there are some errors, please fix it. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇರ್ತದ, ಟೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ನಡುವೆ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸಮ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್, ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. Okay, where these are internal customers. Another meaning is here, okay, another meaning of this is for developers, testers are internal customers because one product ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಗೆ ಡೆಲಿವರ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಎರರ್, ದೆನ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ದು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದ ಫಾರ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಅವರ್ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಟೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಆಯ್ತು, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಎರರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೇನು ನಾವು ಡೆಲಿವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಾಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್. ಅವ್ರು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅದನೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. fix ಮಾಡಿ one product na will put in a market. So again testers are nothing but what? These are the internal customers for our organization. So internal customers, remember external customers are no doubt these are the customers who actually take the product like navella society. Internal customers ಎರಡು meaning ಇದ್ದವ. One, I want to develop one device. I take one component from one group in the same organization. So those people are called as internal customers, whereas internal customers, yes. Whereas another meaning for internal customers is testers. Testers act as internal customers for the organization. Testers act as internal customers for the organization. So this is how there are two types of customers with respect to first principle. So first principle lag ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು major? First example ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, real time example. Example, the incomplete car. ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬ salesman car complete, he is telling car is complete but you need to paint it. ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು example ಕೊಟ್ಟು just you need to write the key points. Don't write stories and all, just key points. Internal customers, what is it? External customers, what is it? Because if you study the textbook, it is completely theory, full para they have given. Just make it as the points and then you need to write. A para you can't even study. If you go and see the textbook, you can't even study it properly. So better make in points, understand in points and write in points. If you want, I'll share even whatever I'm showing here points, I will share with you. Okay. So what happens here? I told you internal customers, external customers. Internal customers testers ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. Testers ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅದ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ. So here complete this concept improves testability of a product. What is the meaning of testability? Even concept, even first principle alli we are going on testing. It can be with internal customers, it can be with external customers. So first internal customers satisfy agಬೇಕು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ. Whenever we test any of a product, first internal customers should be satisfied, then definitely our external customers will be satisfied. So first is internal, remember internal customers play a very important role. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರ ಎರರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ external customers definitely they will satisfy. Next we have here concept of testability. As we know here all about it is about testing and all. So this first principle basically it improves the testability. Testability ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಎರರ್ ಇದುದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳೋದು, then fix it. Finally we will get a product which is not that error. 99% without error try ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. We can't assure full 100% without a error. So next, here there are two perspectives. Perspectives ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? View. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ perspective ಬೇರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ perspective ಬೇರೆ. That is perspective. Perspective is nothing but thinking. My thinking is different, your thinking is different. This is perspective. So here two perspectives we need to take care in this first principle. First is whenever we build any of a product, for example, mobile antane tilkori, XYZ mobile. Here we have two perspectives. One is customer perspective and second is quality built in every activity. So here we need to take care. We need to take care of two customers. One is perspective, customer perspective. Customer perspective ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ನಾ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಆ ತರ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So as a customer perspective, the product should be properly developed, it should be satisfied for the customer and there should not be any defect in the product. There should not be any defect in the product. At least for some time. At least for some time there should not be any defect. This is customer perspective. Second point, quality built in every activity. Quality built in every activity means here, first I'll give an example. Again same example, I'm developing a mobile, okay, XYZ mobile and think ಮಾಡಿ. First one group ಇಂದ ನಾನು ಏನು ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ, battery ತಗೋತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. First I will take from one group who are developing a battery. I'll take the battery from them. Once I take a battery from them, I should not believe blindly. Okay, I should not believe blindly. What I need to do? I need to test whether the battery is working properly, whether it has good backup and all. So from whichever the groups I take different components, each component should be tested properly. At least ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ one component failure ಆದ್ರೆ definitely my phone XYZ will be a failure. So no doubt I'm taking from all the groups, they are working good, but still ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು component ತಗೊಂಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೆ we need to test that component properly so that it is working properly. So here we have two perspectives. One is customer perspective. For a customer, everything should be satisfied without error. The customer should be happy and satisfied. Quality built in every activity. Quality ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Test without an error. Error illandre its quality is good. There are lot of error andre quality is bad. So we need to clear the error as much as possible in each and every activity. Mobile phone ಅಲ್ಲಿ activity example I gave battery ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ಇನ್ನ ಒಂದು memory ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, then we have features, then ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅವೆಲ್ಲ whereas ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ like requirement should be proper, design should be proper, coding should be proper, and finally testing also should be proper. So here after each and every activity we need to test. Yesterday I said after requirement I need to test, after design I need to test, after coding I need to test. So after each and every activity I need to test, then only my customers will be happy. So ultimately what is my aim in first principle? ಏನು ಓದಿರಿ? One example ಓದಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು that customers should be satisfied, that is we need to sell the product without a defect. Then we studied what are the customers. There are two types, internal and external. Then ಇದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? Testability improve ಆಗ್ತದ ನಮ್ಗೆ. Testability ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Without error. Testability improve ಆಗ್ತದ. Then we need to write two perspectives. Customer perspective, quality built in every activity. Activity ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವು? Requirement activity, design activity, coding activity, then maintenance ಅಂತ ಅದು. Even that you will study, maintenance activity. So testing should be done in each and every activity. So what I want to suggest you people is, if you once you listen to the class, just go and study in textbook complete theory in para kotar. You will not follow, I know. Adu odlikku you will not feel comfort to studying that. So better in exams or test, make these like this points and you need to write. Andre internal customers, you need to write what are those. External customer, what are those. The concept improve testability anta kottini. Henga testability you need to write. Okay, so this is what I followed. You people, it is better if you people follow. Otherwise you can't study or you can't remember all the points. Another one thing I want to tell you is, for example, first principle kotar. Explain first principle in detail. What you need to do? Real time example. First real time example baribeku. Then real time example ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಇನ್ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕಾರ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಇದಾನ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್, ಟೂ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್, ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್. ಟೆಸ್ಟಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ? ಟೆಸ್ಟಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಟೂ ಪರ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್. ವ್ಯೂ, ಓಕೆ, ಎರಡ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಎಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಸೈಕಲ್. ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we need to check the quality such that for each and every phase my quality should be correct. So finally last here with this only one principle I'll end here. Okay, see here, if our job is to give, understand here, if our job is to give a complete car to the customers and not ask the customers to paint the car, and if our intent is to make sure that car works as expected without any major problems. Then we need to ensure that we catch and correct all the defects in the car ourselves. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನನಗ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನ್ ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ನನಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅವರು, if I want a complete car, if I want a customer to be satisfied properly, then what I need to do, I need to build a car which is proper without any defect. Then only my customers will be satisfied. So one point you need to remember in first principle, testing should focus on finding defects before customers find them. Customers find madidre it is the same for developers.